Your vehicle is equipped with a push-button power switch. With your intelligent key on you, enter the driver's seat and push the power switch once for on and twice for off. To start your vehicle, be sure the vehicle is in park. Depress the brake pedal and then push the power switch. Once your vehicle is on, you must depress the brake pedal in order to move the vehicle out of park. The ready-to-drive indicator light illuminates when the electric vehicle system is powered and the vehicle may be driven. When you start your vehicle, wait until you hear the startup sound and see the ready-to-drive indicator light illuminate before driving. Until you are ready to drive, keep your foot on the brake pedal, because the vehicle can start to move or start abruptly if the accelerator pedal is depressed by mistake when the ready-to-drive indicator light illuminates. Put the vehicle in park and push the power switch to turn your vehicle off. If the intelligent key battery is discharged and you need to start the vehicle, first make sure the vehicle is in park and firmly apply the foot brake. Then touch the power switch with the intelligent key and a chime will sound. Within 10 seconds of hearing the chime, keep the brake pedal depressed and push the power switch. The electric vehicle system will start. If you push the power switch without first depressing the brake pedal, the power switch position will change to on. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.